What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you through the process of achieving the lowest graphic settings in Fortnite Chapter 6, Season 1, often referred to as potato graphics. These settings can enhance visibility or improve frames per second, or FPS, depending on your preference. Let's explore two different methods to adjust your graphic settings effectively. So all you have to do is open the Fortnite game app. While you are in the Fortnite game app, click your profile picture, which is located at the top right of the screen. To make a menu appear, while you are in the profile menu, click the settings icon to enter the settings menu. As you can see, mine is already in the settings. While you are in the settings menu, make sure that you are in the video tab. As you can see in the video, while you are in the video tab, you just have to set all the graphics and video settings to low. Now, all my graphic settings are set to low so that you can get potato graphics. After you set your video settings to low, try to play the game in practice mode to make sure that your game runs smoothly. And by following the steps, you can successfully adjust your graphic settings in Fortnite to achieve the lowest possible graphics, enhancing your gaming experience based on your system's capability. Whether you choose DirectX 12 for better visibility or DirectX 11 for improved FPS, these settings can help you perform better in-game. Don't hesitate to experiment further with other settings for optimal performance. Enjoy your gaming! If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.